Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 1000 power 500x is equals to 200 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 1000 we can write it as 10 power 3 and whole power is 500x is equals to under root 200 we can write it as under root 2 times under root 100. So under root 2 and under root 100 we can simply write 10. So we can call it as 10 root 2. So I'm going to replace it with 10 root 2. Now I'm taking log both sides. First multiply with the power. So 10 power 1500 x is equals to 10 root 2. Now log both sides. So log 10 power 1500x is equals to log 10 root 2. So we know the power rule of log. So we can write it as 1500x log 10 is equals to log 10 root 2. Now we know the multiplication rule. We can write it as log 10 plus log root 2 and the left hand side is same, 1500x log 10. Now we know the rule, that is log x is equals to log base 10x. So if I'll take base 10 and log both sides, so log base 10 is equals to 1. So it becomes 1500x multiply 1 is equals to, similarly this is 1 plus log root 2. So we have to find the value of x. So to eliminate 1500, I am going to divide both sides by 1500. So x is equals to 1 plus log under root 2 divided by 1500. And the value is approximate equals to 0.000767. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel.